You came down to my river and I